Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Brandfolder for centralized brand asset management, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Brandfolder website. Locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You will be directed to the subscription options page. Review the various plans available for Brandfolder. Choose the plan that best suits your organization's needs. Click on the Select Plan button next to your chosen option. Fill out the required information in the sign-up form. This typically includes your name, email address, and company details. Create a secure password for your Brandfolder account. Review the terms and conditions provided. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. Look for a confirmation email sent to the email address you provided. Open the confirmation email and click on the verification link. Once verified, return to the Brandfolder login page. Enter your email and password to log into your new account. Explore the user dashboard upon logging in. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available features. Upload your brand assets by clicking on the Upload button. Organize your assets into folders for easy access and management. Customize permissions for team members as necessary. Utilize tags and metadata to enhance asset searchability. Take advantage of Brandfolder's sharing options to distribute assets. Regularly review and update your asset library for accuracy. Reach out to Brandfolder support for any questions or assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.